Okay, to clean a tankless water heater, you need a bucket that can hold 2 gallons, extension cord, the red or blue, doesn't have to be any color, a pump, a screwdriver, and vinegar. But I'm using this tankless thingy. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so open this up. Okay, now there's your water heater. The first thing you do, turn off the gas. Which way is it? Turn off the gas. Turn off the cold water. And then the hot water. Okay, turn those off. Turn this one off too. Basically, turn everything off. Turn this off. So that's off. Get yourself a wrench. Slowly turn this counterclock. Loosen it up. This as well. Turn it. Just loosen it off. Now you turn it out. Turn that out. Okay. Fill up the bucket with about 2 gallons of water. Get yourself one of these or use vinegar, it doesn't matter. Just pour the whole thing in there. And then give it a good stir. Connect the pump in here. Okay. Good. Okay, now put the pump in the water. One in here as well. So the pump's gonna pump water all the way up to here. It's gonna go in and it's gonna come out here and it's gonna come back down. So it's gonna keep repeating back and forth for about an hour. Okay, I'm gonna turn this forward. This forward. There you go. Okay. To open it up so it'll go in. Open it up so it'll go in. And open it up so it'll go out. Okay. Now we just plug it in. Assuming it's working, let's see. Yep. So one side pumping and one side is releasing the water. So it's just gonna keep flushing. I'm just gonna leave it like that for about an hour. The color should turn more bluish green over time. Okay, this thing says 20 minutes, but I left it on for about 30 minutes. Vinegar is supposed to be a bluish color, but this thing apparently is turning brown, maybe because of these things. But anyway, so it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off And once I turn it off, I can start shutting these off, pulling these out, and then just turn everything back on, and it should be good and running. Okay, so I just unplugged. So now I'm gonna close this valve first, and then close this valve. Okay, and then I'm gonna twist this off, and then this off. Okay, after I do that and I close this, just hand tight this as well, and just tighten it just a little bit more, not too tight, just a little bit more. Okay, filter right here that they recommend that you clean it. Let's clean that. You might want to use a wrench just to, because it's too tight, so you want to use a wrench to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, once you loosen it up, it's dripping water. Okay, so it is really dirty. I'm gonna have to clean this. It's dripping water, which is fine. See all this right here, in here, have to clean that out. So I use the water hose to rinse that off, and then you just put it back. Twist it back in. Okay. Yep. Okay. Just use a wrench. You just tighten it just a little bit more, not too much. And then now you turn everything back on. Turn this back on. Let the water flow in. Turn this on this way. Turn this water. Slowly turning it back on. Slowly. Yeah. And then turn this power back on. Yeah. So that thing turns back on. And you turn the gas back on. Yeah. Okay. And then you would turn the water inside the house, just turn it on and let it run for maybe a minute or two to flush it all out. Okay, that's it. Put this lid back on, you're good.